Welcome to my channel Chat Jamaican, where you will be provided with valuable content on the Jamaican Patwah. I must admit, Jamaicans love to take pictures. While taking pictures, these are some Patwah sentences Jamaicans will say. Tapiaso, stop here. When a Jamaican identifies their location where the picture is to be taken, they will say, Tapiaso, stop here. Hold the camera good. Hold the camera well. The camera is the device that is used to record the photograph image. Person about to take the picture will say, hold the camera good. Hold the camera well. Tell me when you're ready. Tell me when you are ready. Tell me when you're ready. Tell me when you are ready. The person holding the camera will say, tell me when you're ready. Tell me when you are ready. Smile, make your teeth show. Smile and show your teeth. When a Jamaican wants the corners of the mouth turned up and the front teeth exposed, the person holding the camera will say, smile, make your teeth show. Smile and show your teeth. Move your head to the left. Move your head to the left. When a person's head is tilted north and the Jamaican taking the picture believes that the head should be tilted west, the person taking the picture will say, move your head to the left, move your head to the left. Sit down steady. Sit down steady. If a Jamaican feels that you are not firmly fixed or balanced and you are shaking or moving, a Jamaican will say, sit down steady. Sit down steady. That hairstyle no look good fi take your picture. That hairstyle no look good fi take your picture. That hairstyle doesn't look good enough to have your picture taken. Once a Jamaican realizes that your hair is not arranged properly or looking good, he or she will say to you while taking the picture, that hairstyle don't look good fi take your picture. That hairstyle doesn't look good enough to have your picture taken. You spread out your foot too wide. You spread out your foot too wide. You have spread your feet out too wide. Once a Jamaican shows that you have stretched out your legs so that they are far apart, he or she will say, you spread out your foot too wide. You have spread your feet out too wide. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Remember to subscribe and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching. Little more.